Assalamu alaikum. My name is Autocad Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to make lines and use line command for making exterior walls of your house. So first you have to open an AutoCAD file that I had discussed in my previous sessions, and then when you had opened an AutoCAD file, you just have to type L for opening a line command, and it will ask you first point. Then I will just click my first point and it will ask you dimensions for it, and I will go with 10 feet dimensions and simply press enter. And when you zoom it, it will automatically generate this line, and you can see the dimensions of line is 10 feet. Then press again L and then enter and join this line with this edge, and then just write the dimension. I would write 15 feet. Okay, and then again 10 feet, and then join these lines. After it, when you see the dimensions of all lines, it will tell you 10 feet in width and 15 feet in length. So I personally don't use this method. I personally use a rectangular method that I had discussed in my previous session, that how to make a rectangle. So I will show you that method also. So first you have to write REC rectangle and then enter, and it will ask you first point. And when you have selected first point, then you just have to click right side of your mouse, and it will generate this panel, and you just have to select dimensions. I will select with 10 feet. uh, it will ask you about it will ask you about the length of rectangle, so I will go with 15 feet and then enter, and then width I will go with 10 feet and then enter. It will automatically generate this rectangle, and it will be 15 feet in length and 10 feet, 15 feet in width and 10 feet in length. First method is this, and second method is this. And in this methods I will show you how to put dimensions on these lines. First you have to press D. It will automatically generate dimension style. Then you just have to press it, enter, and first you have to modify. And then I had already told you about the properties that we have to do in this panel. So I will just go with OK and close. And for putting dimensions on your rectangle just like this, I have to type D, L and I. It will automatically generate dimension in linear form, and then you just have to enter it, and it will ask you about the point. So I will first select this point and then again this point, and it will automatically tell you about the dimension. And if you want to make another dimension, you just have to press spacebar for automatically opening that command there which you had previously selected, and it would automatically ask you about the dimensions. I will also put dimensions on this one as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope it would be beneficial for you, and kindly subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.